Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making my grandma's hot toddy recipe. This recipe is so delicious and great if you are feeling under the weather. I don't know how many of you have been sick over this holiday season, but I'm actually recovering from COVID right now and I feel loads better. But while I was sick, my mom would always make me this drink because it really helped with my sore throat and just made me feel a little bit better. To start this drink, the first thing you want to do is turn your element onto medium heat. And I'm actually doubling my recipe today because I'm making one for me and my mom. So I have 4 cups of water going in. Next, I'm going to add in 1 lemon and I'm just going to slice it, along with some honey. You can do 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey depending on how sweet you like your drinks. I usually do about 1.5 tablespoons because I like my drinks a little sweeter. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe because this tells YouTube to send out our videos, and it also helps support my channel so I can keep making videos. All right, I'm gonna just put my spoon in so as the water heats up, the honey will drip off of it. I'm also adding in 1 cinnamon stick to give a nice little flavor, as well as 2 whole cloves. Now we're just going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes so it soaks up all those beautiful flavors. And now that our mixture has simmered down and smells absolutely amazing, I just poured it back into my glass. And to my glass, I'm going to add in 1 ounce of Jameson. And I'm also going to add in a fresh lemon slice. And now I'm going to pour in my hot mixture, along with a cinnamon stick. Give it a little swirl around. And now the best part, getting to taste our delicious hot toddy. I can only take small sips because it's very hot. And wow, it is absolutely delicious, and it's so good if you have a sore throat or you just want something really nice and warm and comforting. I absolutely love this drink. My mom's mom used to make this for her, and now she makes it for me. So please let me know if you try this drink and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see more of my homemade hot drink recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and a very happy new year. Cheers! And don't forget to check back in next Sunday because we are making another homemade cold remedy drink. It is a hot butter rum and it's just delicious.